central nervous system could have a dramatic effect on the reaction time of different human beings, regardless of their nationality, origin, sex, anything like that could have a dramatic difference on their reaction time for catching anything with their hands. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord, while the peripheral nervous system consists of all the neurons of the body, except those found in the brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system can be divided into somatic nervous system, automatic nervous system, and intrinsic nervous system, depending on their specific functions. The somatic nervous system receives external stimuli and coordinates body movements, while the autonomic nervous system is responsible for those functions that are not under conscious control. The autonomic nervous system can be again classified into sympathetic, parasympathetic, and intrinsic divisions. The sympathetic nervous system responds to stress and anxiety, while the parasympathetic nervous system works with a person who is sleeping or relaxing. The intrinsic nervous system, on the other hand, manages every aspect of digestion. The nervous system works with the help of nerves and neurons, which conduct the signals or impulses between the two components of the nervous system. The neurons can be of different types, such as sensory and motor neurons, in addition to neurons. Glial cells, which surround and support the neurons, also participate in the transmission of signals. The sensory neurons generate and transmit the stimuli received from the sensory organs like the eyes, nose, or skin to the central nervous system, the brain, and spinal cord. The brain, in turn, processes these stimuli and sends them back to the other parts of the body, telling them to react to a particular type of stimulus. The motor neurons are responsible for receiving signals from the brain and spinal cord and transmitting them to the other organs of the body. The neurons use electrochemical signals or neurotransmitters in the transmission of signals or impulses from one neuron to another. The outer layer of cerebrum in its cortex, which receives the information collected by the sensory nerves and send them to the other regions of the brain for further processing. The inner part consists of thalamus. The thalamus transmits the messages from the sensory organ to the cortex. The midbrain is the coordinator of the messages or impulses coming in and out of the brain.